But other countries carry the burden of South Africa in their countries. I mean, you talk of you know, not wanting these foreigners to be buried in your land because, you know, people come back and claim. We equally here have, you know, indigenous South Africans buried here, and not just any indigenous South Africans. We have people that fought for the liberation of South Africa, members of the ANC, buried right here. I've never in my life, in my 38, 7 years, 9 years of my life, ever heard anyone come and say, look, because my grandfather died, was part of the ANC, he died here in Zambia, so I'm claiming the land. I've never heard that. So why do you as South Africans feel that, you know, the foreigners will come and claim your land because a dead person of a foreign land has been buried in your country?